Okay, boys and girls, for our final experiment, now, mind you, we're not going to see instant results. And the reason I say this is because our brain takes a long time to develop habits and patterns, okay? So, some of the exercises that I'm gonna show you, I call them brain exercises for specific parts of the brain. Now, the first 4 exercises I'm going to show you have to do with crossing the brain's midline. Now, crossing the body and brain's midline is an important part in activating both sides of the brain's hemispheres. Crossing the body's midline is helpful in developing reading and writing. I'm going to show you 4 exercises that can help with that. Okay, boys and girls, here are the 4 exercises that cross the midline. I want you to try each one of them 10 times. So after this video, I want you to pause and try each one of these 10 times. The first one is called cross jacks. Kind of like a jumping jack, we're gonna cross our arms and our legs as we jump. Here we go. Cross, jack, 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 cross, jack. The next one is called the heel touch. You're gonna take your left hand and your right foot. You're gonna touch your heel behind your body with your opposite hand. And try the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The next one is called the skier. You're gonna stand on one side of an imaginary line with your feet together. You're gonna jump over the imaginary line and back 10 times with your feet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the last one is the windmill. You're gonna spread your feet, spread your arms, and you're gonna use your right hand to touch your left foot. Down and up. Left to right, right to left, left to right. Try each one of those cross body crosses 10 times and see how you do. These next group of exercises are called the 4 quadrants of the brain exercises. Now, 4 quadrant movements activate all 4 quadrants of the brain. These movements help create connections across hemispheres, strengthen the vestibular system, and activate the motor cortex. Okay, the next one's I'm down on the ground and then standing back up for the 4 quadrant exercises. So, the first one is bicycle sit-ups. You're gonna put your right elbow against your left knee, and then your left elbow against your right knee. And keep switching, left and right, left and right, left and right. Try that one 10 times, and now we're gonna move back up, and we're gonna do cross crawl. The same thing, except we're standing up, so we're gonna do right elbow to left knee, left elbow to right knee. Try that 10 times. The next one, this is more of a hand motion. With each hand individually, we're gonna try to stick our hand out and make a figure 8. We're gonna draw an 8 10 times with one hand, and draw an 8 10 times with the other hand. And then the last one is much like the cross brain earlier with the heel touch, except we're gonna do heel, then toe, heel, then toe, heel, then toe, heel, then toe. Almost like the Cotton Eye Joe dance. The next group of exercises are called front to back exercises. Now, front to back movements use your motor cortex as a bridge between your occipital lobe and your prefrontal cortex. These movements help build connections across front and back hemispheres of the brain. Okay, the next one is front and back exercises. So the first one, much like the ski jump side to side, we're gonna pick that imaginary line, feet together, and we're gonna go front and back. These are called bell jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then, while still standing, we are going to do scissor jumps. Scissor jumps. Put 1 foot forward and 1 foot back. You are going to jump and switch your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I'm gonna take you down. Okay. And we are going to be doing curl-ups. Curl-ups are much like sit-ups. You're gonna put your feet up in the air like this. And you're gonna curl down and up. Down and up. Down and up. That's 10. And then the last one is V-sit. The V-sit. You're gonna curl up like this, hands out, and try to sit there and balance for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. The next group of exercises is called overall brain health exercises, which just sounds great. Brain health exercises are exercises that cause the brain to release a chemical that helps keep your brain healthy and build new neurons in your brain. So the overall brain health exercises are pretty simple, things that you guys have done a ton of times. Let me do some quick demonstrations. They are jumping jacks, run in place. Let me take you down. Plank. And last, push-ups. And last but certainly not least are up and down exercises. Up and down exercises help improve and maintain posture and balance while moving. And last, boys and girls, we have our up and down exercises. Okay, up and down exercises. The first one is block jump. We're gonna stand on the balls of our feet, bend down, jump up, and try to land as soft as you can on the balls of your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one is calf raises. We're going to stand straight up and stand high on your tiptoes, then down. High on your tiptoes and down. High on your tiptoes and down. The next one is a power jump. A power jump, we are gonna bend down into a squat position and jump as high as we can. And down into a squat position and high as we can. Try that 10 times, that's a tiring one. And then the last one is what we do a lot, is squats. We're gonna stand with our arms straight out, squat down and up, down and up. Let's try that 10 times. Okay, great job, boys and girls. Now please remember that these exercises are not gonna help you read better overnight and write better overnight. But what it does is it stimulates the brain, and the activity that you use really helps develop pathways in the brain that are gonna help you with your reading, writing, balance, posture, and all those other things we talked about during today's lesson. So hopefully you enjoyed some of those exercises, and those are things that you can do every day just to improve in all those areas. Great job, guys.